According to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in our expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. Okay, so first this 1 divided by 2 can be written as 1 over 2, then divided by 4, and here we have divided by 8. Now we have to do this division, 1 over 2, then divided by 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 4, then divided by 8. And again here we can apply the KCF rule. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 4 times 1 over 8, which equals 1 over 2 times 4 gives us 8. And 8 times 8 equals 64. So we have 1 over 64. And this is our final answer to this problem.